Hey everybody, it's Travis of Food Forest Design, Minnesota, and I have a short but meaningful video to share with you today. So please, stay tuned until the end of the video, and I have something for you. But the time to start growing your own food is now. Every week, families are starting to feel the pinch at the grocery store. Prices keep rising, budgets are getting constrained and getting tight, and more people are starting to realize how risky it is to completely depend on outside systems for something as important as food. This is not about fear, people. It's about awareness, preparation, and taking back responsibility for your family's future. Across the world, we're experiencing wars, economic instability, transportation issues, and a lot of pressure on every part of the global supply chain. At the same time, many of our communities are not seeing the tax dollars come back to us in ways that truly strengthen local food security, health, and long-term resilience. So the question becomes simple: what can we do about it? Well, it's springtime, and right now is a season to plant annual crops for summer food and fall harvests. Tomatoes, beans, squash, potatoes, herbs, greens, and root crops can all help feed your family and give you food to preserve for the long winter months. Every family should start asking themselves this: how much food do we actually need to get through the winter? And then plant with that goal in mind. But the strongest move you can make is not just planting a garden once a year. It's designing and planting a food forest on your property. A food forest is a perennial ecosystem of fruit trees, berry bushes, herbs, groundcovers, vines, and other edible plants that come back year after year. You plant it once, support it as it matures, and over time, it can feed your family for decades. Annual gardens feed you for this season. Food forests feed your future. So if this message has struck a nerve with you, opened your eyes, or confirmed what you were already thinking, the next step is embarrassingly simple. Visit Food Forest Design Minnesota at the link in the description of this video and learn how you can start building a food forest on your property. Start small, plant what you can, and build food security one season at a time. So let's foodify your yard. Have an amazing day, my friends.